Hey everyone, it's Jen. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today I have a little product preview for Scrap Diva Designs. These are dies and stamps that will be available on March 1st at scrapdivadesigns.com. Really fun spring Easter release. So I'll show you everything that's available. I have a few samples made that I'll show you too. My referral link is always in my video's description. So if you click on that link and place an order through that link, I get a commission from the sale. So thank you guys, everyone who uses that. It doesn't cost anything extra. Of course, you can always use my coupon code at checkout as well, which is strawberry cream, and that will save you 10%. So yeah, let's get on with the March release. I'm so excited to share with you. One of them is available right now for pre-order at scrapdivadesigns.com, and I'll show you that one when we get to it. So the first one is called the 3D Easter Display Box, and there are more dies inside as well. So it has this cute bunny shape. I'm not exactly sure what this looks like when it's put together, but I'm sure it's going to be super cute. It's got all the cute little embellishments to make it into a cute bunny on top of the box or in the box. There's cute carrots too. So look at the product page on March 1st when they're available at scrapdivadesigns.com, and you'll see some examples. So I'm excited to see what that looks like as well. Okay, this next one is called the A2 Card Box Add-on Flowers. So if you have the A2 Card Box already, that was a previous release. This is an add-on to it. This is a second add-on, I believe. So I'll link the original one down below because I'm sure it's available right now. So you can put this on top of the box. You can make it into a shaker too. It's got these really pretty flowers, flower design, and it looks like some flowers that you can layer on top as well. So perfect for spring, Mother's Day, all sorts of occasions where you would use flowers, even like weddings too. So pretty. And you don't have to use that on a box. You can use that on a card front as well. Okay, the next one is called the 3D Egg Carrier, and this is the one that is available for pre-order right now. It should be able to ship or available to ship the second week of March. There was a mistake with the die manufacturer with one of the dies. It's still something that we as the design team members can use to create the project. It'll just be a better designed piece that you guys will get for the pre-order. So anyway, there will be examples of this on the product page. I know Erica did a tutorial for it already. So it's such a cute little box and it has a space to carry 2 different eggs. So you can use plastic eggs, you can use colored Easter eggs. I'm planning to get like some Cadbury eggs because the ones I had bought already, those are gone, so I'll have to get some more. But there are so many different kinds of like chocolate eggs out there. There's like Reese's eggs, and so hopefully those will fit. So I'm looking forward to trying that with some candy eggs. All right, the next one is called the 3D Vintage Storybook. And this is, I'm pretty sure it's a box in the shape of a book. So, that'll be so cute. And I love like storybook projects. I have some like vintage looking book covers. I think that will look perfect on this. So, can't wait to make things with that. All right, this next one, and by the way, I'm loving the pink collection or the pink color of the dies this month. This next one is called the Carrot Mini Album, and look at how nice and big that is for a carrot album. And of course, it'll be great for cards or embellishments too. There might be more in here, I'm not quite sure, probably. So there's the base piece of the carrot with embossed lines on it. There's some grass, like an edge. And there's a frame to make it into a shaker if you want to. So I'm sure there's got to be more pieces in here. Let me see. Hold on. Oh yeah, there's a lot more pieces in here. So that'll be so fun. I can't wait for that. I love spring crafting. It's so nice. All right, the next one is called the Butterfly Set. Look at these cute butterflies. I love the embossed lines like go out from the center of the butterfly. And it looks like, let's see, 4 different sizes. So you could either layer them, probably not. I don't know about layering them. Well, if you wanted to layer them, you could like take this size and cut off maybe the antenna and put it over there. So you'd have 2 different size wings for the bigger bigger butterfly, something like that. Or just, do a couple layers of like the one size. Like I could see doing this in pattern paper, then doing it in vellum, and then just kind of cut off the body part here and then just glue the vellum part in the center so it has vellum wings over the solid color or pattern paper. Anyway, just some ideas, and of course there are layering pieces for the bodies for all of them, so that's really cute. All right, the next one I just fell in love with as soon as I saw it. It's called the Tulip Shaker Mini Album. And isn't that the prettiest tulip shape? I could totally see making this into a card. You could even, like, if you wanted to, you could cut off the bottom part. And I love the closure piece that's already added. It's got holes for binder rings. So there's the outer layer that has that, the binding. It's got the inner stitch layer and then the inner layer, which creates a frame. So yeah, great spring album, mini album, Easter card, Easter mini album, so many different ways to use that. All right, next is one of the stamp sets, and this is called the Easter Stamp Set 2025. And these are photopolymer, which is excellent, the best material you can use for clear stamps. So let me take you through what these say, and look at the little details on them too. This one says somebody loves you. It's got little bunny ears. It's got Easter eggs, just cute tiny little stars on there as well. And because they're photopolymer, those items will stamp out nicely and not, you know, distorted or blurry. Next to that, we have Happy Easter with those cute little bunny faces, little hearts too. Then we have Did Somebody Say Chocolate? Look at that cute little bunny face. I'm not sure if you could see it very well because it's, you know, on the stamp and there's a glare, but it's really, really cute. There's like a vine there or a piece of foliage. Here we have carrots, Easter bunny. I think just carrots and Easter bunny. I don't think that says anything else, but cute little flowers. Bunny kisses, Easter, Easter, bunny kisses. I wonder if that's a misprint or, because you would think it would say Easter wishes. I'm not sure about that. Bunny trail. Oh, that's so cute. Look at that with that like loop of ribbon up there, the cute bunny. Hunting crew, so for Easter eggs. Handsome little wabbit, totally adorable with that little bunny there. Easter blessings, and oh, just love all the designs on these. One cute chick, and the cute, it looks like it's just like outline print on the word cute. There's Snuggle Bunny and another Snuggle Bunny. So they're different fonts. Oh, okay, I see that in different designs. So both very, very cute. All right. Next we have one of the word sets, and this one is called Easter Words 2. And there are two different ones, obviously, because this one's called Easter Words 2. This one has a little bit more religious words on it. It's got Jesus, peeps, Christ, family, celebrate, flowers, and greetings. So, you know, of course, Jesus and Christ is the reason for Easter, so I like that those are included on that. The next set we have is called the Easter Words 1, and this one comes with, let's see, egg, chocolate. This one said, I wrote them down, so why am I doing this? Spring, Easter, happy. This one says garden, hunt, candy, and did I say happy already? I think I did. So I did cut one of those out. Well, I cut out Happy Easter and I put it on a project. I'll show you that. For this project that I'm going to show you right now, I used an older set from Scrap Diva Designs. This is the scalloped Easter bag. And it's called the Easter bag because it does have like a bunny cutout that you could put on it, or you could leave it off and just keep it as a scalloped bag. I did make mine into an Easter bag because I used Easter paper and I used the words Happy Easter, but you don't have to if you don't want to. And I also used this die set, which came out last month. This is the Love Bundle nesting set, and I used the middle-sized ovals for that. So this is the project that I made, and Happy Easter are the words that I just showed you from Easter Words number 1, and they come in a very pretty font with the shadow piece, which is so nice. And then for the Love Bundle nesting set, I cut out the eyelet piece in a purple pattern paper from one of the Easter collections I have, and then the middle oval that's stitched I cut out in just plain vellum. I just wanted it to be something subtle for the back of this. Well, I wanted the sentiment to be showcased. And then I added a couple of little clay chick faces from Doodlebug. And isn't that bag so cute? I love the scallop design. I have made these before in the past, of course, but it was nice to pull it out again and make it for this project as well. And if you use double-sided paper, it looks really nice on the inside too. So let me measure these for you. Let me grab my ruler. Okay, so the word happy measures, why am I doing metric? It's about 2 and a little bit over 2 3/4, side to side, and then top to bottom, the tallest part, it's about 1 3/8. So an Easter is about 2 1/4, about a little bit less, and then it's about 3/4 of an inch long. So just such a cute little bag, right? I'll measure the bag for you too. And I will link this bag down below since it is currently available. It's 5 inches tall by 4 inches wide and 2 1/4 inches deep. So yeah, cute way to present Easter gifts. You could put the purse straps on here if you wanted to, if you have that set, or just, you know, like a whatever kind of handle you want to. You don't even need to. It looks cute just the way it is. So just wanted to show you an idea of how to use that word set already. And then the next set we have, I did make a project of this one too. This one is called the Ice Cream Bunny, and as soon as I saw these, I just wanted to put them together. This is actually what I put together first. So it comes with 2 different sizes. This is the base piece of the larger one, that's a smaller one. It comes with cone layering pieces that have embossing detail. It comes with an ice cream scoop for the bunny's head and a frame to make it into a shaker if you want to. There are layering pieces for the ears and then cute little faces as well for the different sizes. So let me show you what I made. Here it's the larger one, and isn't she cute? Ah, I love her. Just so cute. I used a Rosy Studio paper. I think it's called like Sweet Sunshine. It's got the strawberry theme, so I bought like everything in that collection a couple years ago, and it's just so pretty and cute and petite. I thought it'd be perfect for this little bunny. So I did make mine into a shaker. I used Walmart foam board for the shaker part. I used clear acetate so you could see the shaker bits inside. I used mostly diamond dots. I used a couple of clear sequins as well. And then these are puppy stickers. Oh, this one fell off. See, I didn't actually use glue to glue these on, and you really should when you have puppy stickers. So I'll come back to that. But yeah, those are puppy stickers, and it says have a sweet day. I used some basil almond cream paper for the cone, and I did edge it in some vintage photo distress oxide just to give it a little bit of a baked look. And the face is so cute. I used black glossy paper for most of it, and then I just made my own little layering piece with pink glossy paper for the nose, and those come from scrapbook.com. So let me measure this larger bunny for you. And I use, if you could see, I used that white embossed circle paper from Joann's. So I got to I have to get to Joann's and stock up on some things. This one is about, let's see, it's about 4 1/8 top to bottom. Side to side, it's about 2 3/8. And the smaller one looks like this. So you have a mommy and a baby. And I use the same paper collection for this one, just like a smaller puppy sticker banner on the bottom and just one strawberry there. But yeah, same concept, just different papers. So the smaller one measures, let's see, it's about 3 3 3/8. And then side to side, it's about 2 inches. So, oh, just so cute, right? And then, okay, I think I have one more example to show you. One more stamp set. Oh, no, 2 more, okay. So the next one available in March, oh, I've got a piece of double-sided tape there. This is called the coffee mug barcode, and it does come with the die to cut out the stamped images. So these are all different barcodes that look like coffee mugs, and they're so cute. They say, have one on me, so it'd be good to put like on a gift card envelope for Dunkin' Donuts or whatever. Morning drugs, so funny. Hot chocolate, so not just coffee, it could be for other hot beverages. Love you a latte, treat yourself, coffee break, thanks a latte, coffee and craft, and a hug and a mug. And I did stamp and cut out a couple. I didn't really do anything with them yet, but I wanted to show you what they look like. So here's one I stamped on some green paper, and this one says, have one on me. I thought that would be good for a little gift card envelope. And then the next one is thanks a latte. It's always good to have these on hand. As you can see, the die cuts it out really nicely. It even cuts out the center of the handle. And I think these would be really cute, like on the back of a card as well. So this measures, when it's all stamped and cut out, about 2 inches by about 1 3/4. So super cute. And then the last die set I want to show you that is available in March is this one, and this is called the A2 pocket. So it comes with 2 different pocket sets, one facing one way, one facing the other, and they'll fit perfectly on an A2 card. I did cut one out. I didn't put it on anything yet, but I'll show you what it looks like. They come with, each pocket comes with the outer layer, which has stitch detail on the inside, and it has glue tabs on 3 sides, which is nice so they won't fall out this part. And then it comes with the inner stitched layer, so you can use this by yourself as a layering piece, or if you wanted to add this nice intricate design on that, you could do that as well, which I did do. I would suggest putting some wax paper in between your paper and the die to make all the little pieces pop out easily. That's what I did, and it worked out great. So this is one of the direction pockets that you can make. So I used just white 110-pound paper for the base of the pocket, and then I used pink, oops, there's a piece of wax paper there, pink paper for the layering piece. And I did use the pretty plate to cut out this really nice looking design. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh, I just love this. So this should fit on an A2 size card, let's see. Top to bottom, it measures 4 1/4, and then side to side, it measures 4 1/4. So this will fit really nicely. Like if you wanted to include something inside a card, you could put that in there. Like sometimes I'll throw a gift card in a card, like if I'm mailing it out to a niece or nephew. So it would be great to have a pocket to put that into. Or, you know, you could include some embellishments in here. Even put that on the front of a card and just have these guys popping out, and maybe put some removable tape on them too, so so they won't move in the envelope. But that would be a cute way to present a cute little gift for a crafty friend. So yeah, those are my little examples for today. I hope you enjoyed. I will link the things that are available right now, including the A Crate gift basket set, I think it is, gift box set, which is available for pre-order, but everything else will be available on March 1st. Don't forget to use my referral link to place your order. I'd really appreciate that. Thank you guys so much to everyone who uses that. My code Strawberry Cream will always save you 10% at scrapdivadesigns.com. And thanks for watching. I will talk to you guys later. Until then, I hope you guys have a great day. Okay, take care. Bye.